Joy that stays. Real talk. Ngayong Christmas season, minsan ang saya ng Monday pero pagdating ng Wednesday, ubos na. Pero joy ni Jesus, hindi ganon. Hindi siya fleeting. Sinasabi sa John chapter 15 verse 11, that my joy may be in you and that your joy may be full. Ang happiness minsan parang load sa phone, mabilis maubos. Isang quiz result lang, drained na. Isang argument lang, down na. Isang cancelled plan lang, mood off na. But Jesus says, my joy will be in you. Hindi borrowed joy, hindi short-term emotion, hindi joy na may foundation. Joy na hindi dependent sa grade, sa approval ng tao, sa status ng love life, sa ganda ng Christmas plans. And Jesus wants your joy full, hindi half tank, hindi sakto, kundi overflow. Ito ang joy na ramdam mo kahit pagod ka sa finals week. Joy na kasama kahit financially tight ang December. Joy na hindi natatanggal kahit may disappointment. Kaya ngayong Pasko, let Jesus refill you. Let Him remind you, you are loved, you are mine, I am with you. How can I choose joy instead of pressure today? Our challenge today is to send someone a joyful message. I pray for your joy today, kapatid.